Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to Yalan app channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can be able to fix BDO online banking error. Okay, so first of all, I want to tell you that I will not guarantee that these steps that I'm gonna show you, it's gonna work for you 100%. But anyways, for these ways, it's gonna help a lot of you, okay? Because sometimes there are some like exceptional problems that it's not gonna work with what I'm gonna tell you. So now the first thing that you need to know is sometimes the servers of this app are down. So you need to make sure if you find an error, you need to go directly and search if their servers is down. If it is, so you have nothing to do, you only need to wait until this problem is fixed by them. Okay, so this is the first thing. The second thing, if it's not working, you need to make sure that your Wi-Fi is stable. So you need to make sure that it is, and by how you can know this is to use another Wi-Fi and see if it's working. And if it's still not, like, don't use a Wi-Fi but use mobile data, okay? But turn off your Wi-Fi first. If it's not, then you need to change your date and time of your phone if it's not done correctly, okay? So these are the steps that you need to focus on in order to see if it's gonna fix the error. And if it's not, then you need to contact the support so they can help you to fix that problem. So this was the video, guys. I hope it was useful to you and helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.